Today's video is going to be absolute gold for you. Just take a look at these channels. They are creating hyper-realistic food factory videos using AI, pulling in hundreds of thousands of views and capturing a massive worldwide audience. Today, you're going to learn how to create these exact same videos with absolutely stunning cinematic quality that looks 100% real. Did you see how incredible that was? Every single detail, right down to the perfectly matched background sound effects, is just mind-blowing. And the best part? You don't need to drain your wallet buying subscriptions for multiple tools. You get access to every famous tool, including advanced options like Seedance 2.5, all on a single platform. On top of that, I've designed a custom command system exclusively for my subscribers that makes the entire process completely effortless. I'll show you how you can get your hands on it at the end of this video. So let's dive right in. First, let's head over to my screen. First of all, you need to head over to Claude. You'll find the link in the description. Here, you will upload the custom file I will provide to you. As soon as you upload the file, just type Hi Velox Vision and hit enter. It will take a quick moment to process and understand my command file, and then it will immediately send you a welcome message to the Velox Vision command system. Along with a quick guide, it will present you with 7 options. The first 5 options give you different types of food factory concepts you might want to create. The second to last option lets you input your own food idea if you have a specific product in mind. And the final option? If you don't like any of the suggestions, it will keep generating brand new ideas until you are 100% satisfied. But for this tutorial, I really loved option 2, so I'll just type that in and hit enter. And look at this. After a quick process boom, it generates 2 master prompts for you. Prompt 1 describes exactly how your final product will look, and Prompt 2 describes its custom packaging. So let's actually generate this and see how our product turns out. We'll copy Prompt 1 and jump over to the website we were talking about, Flova.ai. This is its interface, super neat and highly professional. You'll find a ton of options here, like reference to video, short drama creation, and much more. But let's focus on the absolute powerhouse feature, its models. Let me show you. Here you'll find all the most famous models. For image generation, you have Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Dream 5 Pro, and even Midjourney. And for video generation, you get access to high-end models like Seedance 2.5, alongside other incredible options like Seedance 2.0 and Fast Mini. It is truly amazing. On top of that, you also get highly valuable tools like Nano.ai for music and 11 Labs for your audio and voiceovers built right in. But right now, my goal is image generation, so I will select the Nano Banana Pro model and click Generate. It redirects us to another page, where I will simply paste my prompt and hit enter. It processes for a moment, and look at that. The image is ready. This is exactly how our chips will look. I went ahead and entered the second prompt as well, and there we go. Our stunning packaging picture is perfectly ready too. I absolutely love this. Now, we head back to our Claude file. It says right here, if you like the results, simply type next. If you don't, or if you want any changes, just tell it, and it will give you a brand new prompt. Since I loved the results, I'll just type next and hit enter. And boom, it just generated a complete, highly structured text-to-video prompt for every single scene in our factory. Believe me, these are incredible prompts. It gives you the first 10 prompts, and once you are done generating those, you just say next and it will give you the next 10. You can even skip any step. If you want, it's completely up to you. Now, to bring this to life, we'll head back to our website, select the Seedance 2.5 model, and hit generate. This takes us to a new page. Here, I'll paste my first text-to-video prompt, specify the aspect ratio I want for the video, and hit enter. Now it asks for the video duration. I'll select 12 seconds and hit enter. It starts processing, and boom, our video is ready. Just look at how incredible this is. The movement, the scene dynamics, everything is absolutely out of this world. We will do the exact same thing for the second video prompt. Copy, paste, and enter. It asks if I want to keep the 12-second duration. I'll type yes, hit enter, and the processing begins. And there it is. The second scene is ready. The movement is flawless, and the entire scene is outstanding. By simply following this exact same style, I generated every single scene using my custom file. And let me tell you another mind-blowing feature of this platform. You don't even need another tool for editing. You just go to the page where all your generated videos are stored, click on the timeline, and it opens up a full built-in editing suite. You simply bring all your clips down to the timeline. You can split them wherever necessary, speed up specific clips, and arrange everything perfectly. Once you are done, just click Export. And just like that, you have a completely spectacular, high-quality factory manufacturing video ready to go. I hope you found this entire process easy to follow and absolutely loved this website. You finally don't need to waste your money on multiple tool subscriptions anymore. As for the custom command file I used today, you can get your hands on it by sending me a direct message on my WhatsApp. You will find my number right down in the description below. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.